He has been honored with Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan National Media Network Award. Chef Kunal is the proud recipient of the prestigious Sir Edmund Hillary Fellowship 2012 from the Government of New Zealand in the field of food and beverage. His perspective on food and his various experiments as well as experiences have been penned in several books as well as showcased across his social media channels with your presence. Ladies and gentlemen, Chef Kunal Kapoor.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Our brand ambassador for ITC Being Easy. And thank you so much, Chef, for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the lovely introduction. I was listening to you. I didn't realize there might be on. I don't know last minute after getting
Chef, I'll just briefly introduce Mamita Sharkar is a talented movie star from Calcutta. She is receiving immense love from the audience for the role of Bochena She Bochena. She went on to become the lead face in quite a few top-grossing TV serials. She did her first feature film as a heroine in Love Aajkal Oshu in 2019 and was loved by her audiences for her exceptional acting skills. This was followed by the recent film Teeny, where she has played the role of a young teen who is in odds with her mom. It's one of the most fabulous films I've seen recently. A hardcore traveler, foodie and fitness enthusiast, she's always the one experimenting and exploring new avenues. May I please welcome Madhumita to the dais. Thank you so much for joining me today. Chef,
একটু ক্লোজ একটু ক্লোজ স্ট্রেট লুক ম্যাম একটু স্ট্রেট লুক সামনে
हेलो अरे बाप रे
मैडम सर मधुमिता जी हम नहीं
alright. Chef Kunal, you're tremendous, but all things look good while doing it. But the cleanup afterwards is always very tedious and really unglamorous.
Absolutely.
What is your special tip for that?
I think one of the things we have to agree on, one of the things that we all I think agree is design किसी को नहीं पसंद. Who likes desire? किसी को पसंद है? और लॉकडाउन में कितने लोगों ने करी? Honestly बताओ. दो ही honest लोग हैं इधर. अच्छा. किसी ने डिजाइन नहीं करी? कोई नहीं करता. अगर शादी हुई है तब करनी पड़ी होगी, नहीं हुई तब भी करी होगी. Pakka. But I think the process of cooking a dish is always fun because there is a reward towards the end.
I hate scrubbing though.
Yeah, everybody does. कि आप एक ingredients इकट्ठे करें आपने, so there is a reward towards the end. So you love that journey. Getting to that stage of खत्म हुआ, you cook something, you kept it ready onto the table, अब सब बैठे हैं खाने लगे. But once you have had it, जब वो मीठा फल मिल गया सब्र का, the next part is the cleanup, scrubbing. Nobody loves it. I don't like it. But we have to do it. There is no other way. Unless we have something that helps us, that takes away the desire. What can take away scrubbing?
स्लिप करा है
ITC NIMEASY comes into play. So अभी आपको तो दिखाएंगे धीरे-धीरे स्टेजेस में आगे जाके that how ITC NIMEASY does this list of action.
So I think you have to. In my household, dishwashing was one of those things that we always assigned someone else. Till the time came when it was our turn and we did not want to do it. None of us, I think, enjoys it. So what was it like in your house?
See, when you are not having a domestic help. You know, last year things were different in our life. I would say the day we found out Mimizi, I just Mimizi, I think probably we were the first one to get it. And I would say that I am a big time procrastinator and I hate doing dishes, especially the scrubbing part. So I just see Mimizi has been the biggest discovery for me, for my life, because you know it is bad for our nails, and especially I'm not talking about me really, but I'm talking about like other dish washes. You are scrubbing it. It's not good for the nails also, and it affects us. So সেটা হচ্ছে Mimizi আমাকে অনেক কাজটা হেল্প করে দিয়েছেন যে আমাকে ঘষতে হচ্ছে না. That I don't have to scrub anymore. It's all clean without putting too much effort. ঠিক হয়ে যায় আর সবটা পরিষ্কার হয়ে যায়. So it is a big help for me.
So when I was in the kitchen, unfortunately, apart from cooking, I was also assigned that duty. Okay. I was in the sense that this was 3 weeks ago last time. Then I think I literally gave up on it because my father had started experimenting in the kitchen. It was body really not.
I hope he's listening to this.
Yeah, I really wish he does because he just does not want to listen to it. So he makes this maksho and it is not tasty and he always wants it. So afterwards, it's not just a bad taste in your mouth, it's also a bad feeling on your hands because you keep on scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and it will not go. So it was a blessing and easy came to my life because I remember picking up a pan and just soaking the thing in for 20 minutes and then I just saw that one layer of dirt get washed out. Okay, I didn't have to really touch the scrub. I was like, oh my god, this is new. Okay, this is very, very new. And this is good. So I personally thought that I just get a fantastic job to this one, and the Italian is absolutely apt. So today it will be an honor for us to see for ourselves what exactly is going to happen in the kitchen section today. So we are going to do a little live demonstration for the media to explain to them what exactly is going to happen when you put in Mimizi in your regular pots and pans which are dirty. So today we have a pot right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is it, Ramesh?
It's my favorite chole. Proper Punjabi style chole. And Punjabi style chole means you have to really cook, quote unquote, overcook. Right? And when you overcook, it becomes tasty. But for the utensil, there is a nice good layer of food that gets stuck. Especially if you're using kadai. Kadai mein bhi na, ye jo rivets hoti hai na, rivets. If you've noticed, no matter how much you wash, your mom is always taking a knife and trying to scrape it. Yahan se. With a knife. There you go. You have done it.
I'm a Punjabi, sorry.
There you go. Even if you are a non-Punjabi, Bengali, anybody, it doesn't matter. There is food that always gets stuck, right? So, what we have over here, first let me show you. Look at that. Lot of grease, और ये तो बड़े तरीके से बनाया है, चलाया नहीं. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि you're busy और कई बार you're a beginner, you tend to burn it and there are these cracks and crevices where all the food over a period of time gets accumulated. It is unhygienic and the worst, जो बर्तन है उसमें से smell आती है. There is a bad odor even after washing. So what do you do? And that's where I recommend Mimizi. What you have to do is इसको scrub नहीं करने का. Add water. Mimizi for you. All right, that's a little Mimizi. And जस्ट लेट इट रेस्ट, इसको बस रेस्ट करने का है, कुछ नहीं। इसके अंदर ना एंजाइम एक्शन है, जो एंजाइम है, नेचुरल एंजाइम्स, व्हाट दे डू इज, जितना भी डर्ट है, जितना भी ग्रीस है, जितना भी फूड एक्यूमुलेटेड है, इट गिव्स अ लिफ्ट ऑफ एक्शन। व्हाट इज द लिफ्ट ऑफ एक्शन? इज दैट इट ब्रेक्स डाउन दोज फूड पार्टिकल्स छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में, जैसे जैसे वो छोटे छोटे, और वो बड़े माइक्रोस्कोपिक लेवल पे करता है। सो जैसे वो ब्रेक होता है, वो धीरे 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 पैन को छोड़ के ऊपर तैरने लग जाता है। सो यू डोंट हैव टू स्क्रब इट। और ऐसा नहीं है कि हर एक बर्तन के ऊपर यू फाइंड फूड स्टिकिंग। इफ यू हैव स्पून, फोक, ग्लासेस, दे कैन हैव अ रेगुलर क्लीन, बट हेवी ड्यूटी क्लीनिंग इज द बिगर प्रॉब्लम, like cooker, kadhai, handi, where there is a gravy being made, biryani, Bengali biryani, right? It always gets stuck in the bottom, and then you're taking a spoon and pursuing it, right? Always. All Bengalis agree?
Always, Sajal, yeah.
Bengalis agree?
Yeah, I think so.
Tata Bengali? Say yes. Yes. ज़्यादा बोल नहीं रहे.
He's thinking also.
He's thinking of biryani now. Yeah. I'm sure. So होता है कि जब आप गिरते हो ना, इट्स ऐसा नहीं कि हमें आदत नहीं है, वी कैन डू इट, बट द मोर यू हिसोफा इट, फर्स्ट यू आर scraping your utensil, and sometimes it's Teflon, or sometimes it is let's say any other non-stick material. You scraping it off, आपका बर्तन का खर्चा बढ़ रहा है, आपके खाने के अंदर जो मेटल आएगा जब आप पकाएंगे, you don't want that, right? At the same time, who wants to do that effort? And वो जब कुकर के अंदर की तरफ, so you have to take that scrubber and clean it inside. It's even more tedious. And with a lot of men now cooking in the kitchen, the first timer men who were forced inside the kitchen because of the lockdown, and then liking it now, the job doesn't end at just cooking good food. It also ends at cleaning the kitchen utensils properly in the right way, closing the kitchen. So, that's how you also kind of respect food and kitchen people who cook it. Kitchen is an important part. Important kitchen के बगैर utensil के भी utensil साथ में तो help नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. So the enzyme action gives that lift off, does the lift off action, which means that आपकी cleaning बड़ी आसान है. सफाई बिना घिसाई. See how happy I am. See, I'm very happy because I just did सफाई बिना घिसाई. So that's the entire thing. And ये हमने आधा घंटा पहले भिगो के रखा था ये वाला कढ़ाई को, और इसको भी स्क्रब नहीं किया. हाँ, आप इसको फेंकेंगे ना अभी रखना है नोट. अच्छा, आप पानी फेंकना नहीं आ रहा. नहीं, छोड़. So you see, this was the same kadai with oil, grease, spices, food sticking to it, everything. And this is without scrubbing. This is what you get. And abhi aur pani maro, halka. Especially on the rivet. हाँ. वहाँ. छोड़ो. वो पुराना वाला है ना. So this is without any scrubber.
My God.
And it is natural. Done. चलो इसे साफ होना शुरू हो गया. चलो वैसे ही काम साफ हो गया. But I just wanted to show you the difference. So it reduces your work in the kitchen. It reduces your effort that you put.
That's
Why is that okay?
it has a refreshing citrus lemon fragrance that I can smell.
Yeah.
Yeah, I cannot smell anything except that right now.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So there are three important things. One is the enzyme action, which is very important and which is also being patented by ITC now. Because ऐसी कोई टेक्नोलॉजी हिंदुस्तान में कभी नहीं, right? Second is there is no bad odor. खाने के अंदर या बर्तन के अंदर no bad odor smell है वो चली जाती है. It has a very refreshing citrus line. And at the same time, the best part, Nimeezy has extracts of नीम के पत्ते का extract. और नीम के पत्ते का क्या सबसे बड़ा फायदा होता है, कौन पता है? अरे आपको तो पता है, इनसे तो पूछ रहा हूँ. एंटीबैक्टीरियल, एब्सोल्युटली राइट. एंटीबैक्टीरियल होता है नीम, क्योंकि आपने देखा है कि डॉक्टर्स भी ना कभी कभार सलाह देते हैं स्किन के लिए भी नीम के पत्ते को लेके पानी में उबाल के उसके पानी से नहाना चाहिए to get a very healthy beautiful skin. So neem extracts are antimicrobial, which means आपके बर्तनों में भी वो एंटीमाइक्रोबियल की तरह एक्ट करते हैं, सरफेस बैक्टीरिया को वॉश अवे करते हैं. सो इट इज एन एड ऑन. सो विद वन यू हैव सो मेनी बेनिफिट्स. एंड खाना तो बनना है, बर्तन तो धुलना ही है. सो दिस वर्क्स.
सर
मैडम
सामने मैडम मैं इधर इधर सामने मैडम
একটু এদিকে মধুমিতা, একটু এদিকে মধুমিতা, একটু এদিকে কুনাল इस तरफ
लेफ्ट लुक लेफ्ट
कुनाल इस तरफ.
Skip dinner and help. So yeah, I eat less. I am a foodie. I love taste. It is. I do not overeat. When I'm 80% full, I stop.
Chicken portions.
Yeah. So that is it.
What about you?
I think something similar. Yeah, I think portion control is interesting. Otherwise, what's the worst in the house? उससे वो खाना बनाओ. सब
Ask for washing dishes. अपने आप खाना कम हो जाएगा बटर.
भैया